Yeah, it's really hard not to compare yourself to other writers, because one part of the reason why we get into this is because there's been some story or film or television show, something that's touched us, and that we want to try to recreate that feeling for other people. And so that really is the basis, I think, of most of us, at least the beginning of our inspiration to want to tell a story. So it's tough not to compare yourself to other filmmakers or other storytellers, and you just have to kind of go, okay, be prepared to never succeed like your heroes have. You just kind of have to create and be yourself, and you will then be freer to generate and be creative and not be hamstrung and go, I'll never be as good as Steven Spielberg, or I'll never be good as the Coen brothers, or I'll never be able to achieve that sort of thing that I just love when I see it by other people. But I'm going to do the very best I can to do that. And now, because you're not trying to absolutely ape and recreate what somebody else has done, you're now expressing yourself as an individual better, and you have a better chance of then becoming someone that later on other people will look at and go, gee, I wish I were more like so-and-so, like you, as a filmmaker, as a storyteller. So yeah, it's tough, because there's filmmakers that I just absolutely, am in awe of, and I'll never be able to recreate that. But I create stuff of my own that hopefully other people see merit in.